Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today we're here with Skillibeng, Whap, featuring Fivio, Foreign and French Montana. And a remix. Sorry, my G, if you mess up the name. Sorry, but we're going to jump in the one and see what I want. That's what the G them must say. Because you don't know, so I have to take off the glasses and ask for some rum, please. Alright, let's go with the reaction. Let's get it. Big up Skilly, man. Representing culture.
You know what it is? When you hear
Mike Life.
Hands. Montana.
Mike Life.
Scope on my clap. So my gun sound when I clap. Whap. Contract, killing, so I minicate tap.
Yeah. I'd never reacted to the original version to this song, because I wasn't feeling it, but it grew on me. That's my admission. I can be a man. I can admit when you know, I can admit the truth. It grew on me. So if you see my do that collab now, Skillibeng, the same thing with Skillibeng with the crocodile teeth, you know. Crocodile teeth come out and it just grew on people and just gone worldwide. This is the next one.
Contract, killing, so I minicate tap.
Yeah, every time I shed a tear, me the body gotta drop. Good ball, yeah. Gunshot, two chop, one op. Yeah, and I heard about the list. There's money on my head, but I ain't worried about the shit. Yeah, you better hurry up and hit. Keep a shooter when I'm shopping. He ain't worried.
Man said money on his head, but he's not worried about the hit. You understand? Him not business like chop, not feeling bored in the mind. When I see them a gunshot, them I get shit. Whap.
But I ain't worried about the shit. Yeah, you better hurry up and hit. Keep a shooter when I'm shopping. He ain't worried about no dread. Look, boom, drill something. We outnumbered. I'm still coming. Boom, still dumping.
We outnumbered, we still are forward, we still are give them gunshot. Cause we not afraid of them a pussy. Them not bad, brother.
I know you can't relate cause you ain't never did none.
Scope on my clap. So my gun sound when I clap. Whap. Contract, killing, so I minicate tap. Whap.
Right, that's out. French.
When I got shot, pussy boy got shot. 6 feet, go to your grave, do a TikTok. 6 shots, kill tracks, this here.
Kill it.
When I got shot, pussy boy got shot. 6 feet, go to your grave, do a TikTok. 6 shots, kill tracks, this here Ziploc. Montana rude boy, shit slap Chris Rock. Whap, came in with the Glock. Keep one eye on me, Fetty Wap. She don't cook clean, but got the wop. She want her ass done, took her to the chop shop.
She want her ass done, took her to the... So basically, I take her to Dr. Miami and get her a new body, dolly body, you know? Yeah.
When I got shot, pussy boy got shot. 6 feet, go to your grave, do a TikTok. 6 shots, kill tracks, this here Ziploc. Montana rude boy, shit slap Chris Rock. Whap, came in with the Glock. Keep
Montana, that went over my head. Montana rude boy, shit slap Chris Rock. That went over my head, guys. That went over my head. Like the Chris Rock slap is never gonna be old, bro. Never gonna be old.
They got shot. 6 feet, go to your grave, do a TikTok. 6 shots, kill tracks, this here Ziploc. Montana rude boy, shit slap Chris Rock. Whap, came in with the Glock. Keep one eye on me, Fetty Wap. She don't cook clean, but got the wop. She want her ass done, took her to the chop shop. 10 bands gon' get an op shot. Another 90 gon' get a cop shot. Ain't nothing changed, Montana from the block. Yeah, they closed the door, we came back, bought the spot.
Scope on my clap. So my gun sound when I clap. Whap. Contract, killing, so I minicate tap. Whap.
Yeah, big up Skillina, bro. Big up Skillina, bro. Big up the two rapper them. For me, French verse was sicker than foreign verse. But yeah, big up Skillina, bro. Like Skilly are doing thing, bro. Like Skilly dropped some. Let me tell you now. Skilly dropped some song, and we Jamaicans we will laugh and say, "How can I focus on that in my job? How can I, bro?" When that song they start chart and start grow, that is when we accept it, bro. Like whap 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 to me was foolishness, and still is foolishness to me. Whap whap whap, but it just grew up on you, and I'm just being honest in my reaction. It just grew up on you. A lot of song when me first hear them, I say, "What is?" Then after them rinsing it so much, it just grew up on me. I'm like, whap 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 whap. Wrong, please. But yeah, big up Skilly. You do your thing, bro. You do your thing. You're in our lane by yourself. There's no other artist like you right now. So, bro, just continue doing it, bro, and keep making those big moves, bro, overseas and local. So, this time I'm going to leave that one at Still. If you enjoy the one and want some more, you know what to do. You know what to do. Peace.